how to put text behind a subject in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Begin by opening your picture in Photoshop. Next, create your text layer, customize it and put it wherever you want to in your image. Then come over to the layers panel, click onto your image and press Command or Ctrl J on your keyboard. This is going to duplicate the layer. Next, drag this new layer on top of your text, and with this new layer selected, come up to Select, come down to Select and Mask. This is going to open it up into this window. Next, choose Select Subject. This is going to essentially cut out your subject from the background. If you're dealing with a subject with a lot of hair or there's fine details, you can click on Refine Hair as well, and that will fix your edges around the hairline. Next, come down to the Output 2 settings, and for the Output 2 drop down, select New Layer with Layer Mask and then choose OK. And with that complete, we now have the text behind our subject, and that's all there is to it.